Add luxury to your building. INDEXglobal Co. Limited. INDEXglobal Co. Limited is an expert manufacturer in interior and exterior finishing materials that has focused on R&D and development. We are creating a pleasant and clean residential culture by manufacturing high-quality and multicolored finishing products using eco-friendly materials. Exterior finishing materials finish the exterior of the building with various textures and colors, replacing natural stone. Interior finishing materials give a luxurious finish in various colors. Floor finishing materials apply colorless, eco-friendly materials on the floor to make it aesthetic as natural stone. It is used in parking lots, factories, warehouses, offices, commercial spaces, etc. Our construction adhesive is a superb product having alkali resistance, moisture permeability, and adhesion. Mix it with Portland cement in a 1:1 weight ratio. Our product has strong adhesion to substrates and resistant to self-discoloration, discoloration against UV rays, and stains. Also, it is graded as semi-non-combustible and high water resistant. INDEXglobal, aiming for a passive house using eco-friendly materials. We will endeavor to become a world-leading company by supplying innovative and eco-friendly products in the construction industry. Seek perfection in architecture. Experience adding luxury to your buildings with INDEXglobal Co. Limited.